Monica Ortega, and welcome to MSU! Woo! So I'm here at Michigan State University, a college that's mostly known for agriculture and Big Ten sports. But what many people may not realize is it's also got a ton of history and art. The Eli and Edythe Broad Art Museum opened in 2012 and features contemporary art. Another amazing place on campus is the MSU Museum. So one really cool thing here at the MSU Museum is that a lot of the exhibits are inspired by Michigan history. The Wharton Center is Michigan's largest performing arts venue, and it puts on over 100 performances a year. And it has a very special place in my heart. After take your kid to school day, I was like, Mom, I don't want to go to school with you. I want to go to the Wharton Center. So I shadowed an employee, and they brought me on stage, and they were doing a lighting thing. Okay. So the spotlight came on, and I remember that was the moment I was like, God. This is what I want to do.
That was it. Yeah. I love it.
So another great way that they celebrate art and culture here at Michigan State University is the East Lansing Art Festival. The East Lansing Art Festival has been around for over 50 years, features hundreds of artists, and brings in tens of thousands of visitors. I had a great time here at Michigan State University. If you guys enjoyed this episode, be sure to check out the other Lansing videos and hit subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Beautiful. I'm the class of 3. These are cute. Do they come in anything out? I'll never get back out. This is a poor choice. It's a poor choice.